All right. About 3 minutes. Come on, Light. All right. So, here we go. What we have here is we have a picture of a, what kind of graph?
Polynomial.
It says polynomial, but we should know the graph.
Parabola.
There it is. This is a parabola graph, which is associated with what kind of equation? I'm going to start it out.
Quadratic.
There it is. Very good. So it's a quadratic. And what does a quadratic standard form look like? It has one specific thing in it that we automatically know makes it a quadratic.
Oh, I'm an idiot. Don't beat yourself up.
That's the standard form. And so the fact that it has a square makes it a quadratic for us. Okay? And so what it's asking us to do is look at this picture right here, and it says, what are the factors? All right? What are the factors? Now, we may not recognize their terminology here, but we factored these quadratics. And when we did it, we broke it down into two binomials that would multiply to give us the trinomial here. And so what you need to understand, this is asking you to find the zeros or the x-intercepts, which are the same thing. And so what are the x-intercepts of this graph? Can you see them pretty plain as day? Yeah, it's one right here, and there's one right here, right? And so with that, we know that x equals -2, and we know that x equals +6, correct? So now, why do we call them the zeros?
Because
Because
that's where
they're at the 0, the y.
Very good. We're at the 0 on the y, but if you look at these right now and we say, okay, I'm representing these as x equals this and x equals this, but what we're really having is we're saying that the y value right now is -2. How do I move this to the other side and make x equal to 0? What do I do? Very good. I add 2 here, add 2 here, and so I have x plus 2 equal to 0, right? What about over here for the 6?
-6.
Subtract 6, subtract 6. So x minus 6 equals 0. And so what we have there are the two factors that would put together to make the equation. Right? And so if I look over here, where does that fit?
Okay.
Very good. Very good.